Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write a Citibank check. So basically how to do it, as an example, let's just go and check an article. So as an example, sample check image. Here, it will show you first of all the image. So as you can see, here you'll get the dates and other stuff. This is first of all how a check looks like, as you can see. No problem. So this is from front and this is from behind. And how to fill it with details, well, just follow this article so you don't get confused. So as you can see, before you fill, use this simple step-by-step guide to make sure you get it right for the first time. So here it show you every section. What is it? So this is an example of the line for the dollar amount. This is if you wanna pay the order of the line. This is date line. This is chicken and check number. This is the box of the dollar amounts in numbers. This is signature line, routing number, account number, and memo line. Simple as that. So you'll have to check the dates as an example, and you'll have to write the name of the P first of all. After that, you will have, of course, to write the check amount in a numerical form. It's going to be right here. And then write the amount in words, and it's going to be right here. And then write a memo. It's going to be right here as an example. After that, sign the check, which is going to be right here. And you should be good to go. That's you basically how to write a check. Additional tips, as an example, if you want to read them out, you can pause the video, read them out. And yeah, how to bounce your checkbook again, some just additional info, some frequently asked questions if you want to know again. If you have one of those questions, I'll just pause. You can just pause the video and read it out by your own. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.